Here we have the A800 RC Glider with a 300 milliamp battery. The remote control turned on. Mode 2, low rates. I'll put into high rates. Now I'll plug the battery in. Okay, battery is plugged in, and you can see that the battery has plenty of power. There we are. Now the problem is that the elevator or elevators don't function, and here's the elevator, you can see, and when I move the stick to exercise the elevator, you can see there's no response at all. No response to the elevator. I'll just do that again so you can see. Sometimes it works if I push it right to the corner. It did seem to be working, but gradually, since the problem first occurred on the first flight, it's gradually got worse, and now you can see there's no response at all. Otherwise the rudder works. You can see the rudder working there. The ailerons are working. And obviously the throttle is fine. But there is a problem with the servo in relation to the elevators. And as a result, the plane cannot fly. It goes out of control and will nosedive. Fortunately, when it nosedived, it was on soft grass and it cushioned the landing. You'll see that there's no damage to the plane at all. Just move that. No damage whatsoever to the plane. I've got the cover all perfect. Just turning it over, you can see no damage anywhere. It hasn't been crashed. It just went down from 3 or 4 feet high when I tried to do a takeoff and launch it with a hand launch, and it just went horizontal for 5 meters as I threw it, and then just went straight to the ground. And I then inspected the elevator. Again, I'm trying to get the elevator to move, and you can see there it's just non-responsive. But the rudder is working fine. So as a result, I can't fly this plane, and I think it is appropriate that I get a full refund because it's simply not fit for its purpose. Thank you.